Now coming to question number 4. The question number 4 says find the value of minus 4 divided by 2 by 3. This is also same as fraction, so we'll just keep the first one as it is. So we have minus 4, then divide will be multiply sign, and the next number will be just the reciprocal of that. Like here 2 will be, this numerator will become the denominator and denominator will become the numerator. So we have the inverse of 2 by 3 or the reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Now here we'll see 4 comes in 2's table, so 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now here in the denominator we have 1, and if you multiply the numerators, 3 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 6, and minus 6 by 1 means minus 6. So answer of the first part is minus 6. Now in the next part we have minus 3 by 5 divided by 2. Here no denominator is present, so we can consider as 1. Now as you know, in case of division, first number will remain same. So minus 3 by 5, then divide will be multiply sign and the next number will be the reciprocal. So denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. Okay, so it will be 2 by 1 will be 1 by 2. Now we will check whether we can divide by the same number or not. So if you check 3 and 2, we cannot divide by the same number. So or 5 and 1 will just multiply the numerator. So minus 3 multiplied by 1 is minus 3 and 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So answer of the second part is minus 3 by 10. Now in the third part we have minus 4 by 5 divided by minus 3. So here no denominator is present again. So we'll consider as 1. Now first ration number will remain same, which is minus 4 by 5. Then divide will be multiply sign, and here minus 3 by 1 will be 1 by minus 3. Now we can cancel the minus sign. So here again we cannot divide by the same number diagonally or up and down. So what we will do here, we'll just multiply the numerator and denominator to get the answer. So 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 and 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Now in the fourth part we have minus 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. So here minus 1 by 8 will remain same, divide will be multiply sign, and the reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Now if you check diagonally, this 8 comes in 4's table. So here 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now we'll multiply the numerator. 1 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 1 and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So answer of the fourth part is minus 1 by 6. Okay. In the fifth part we have minus 2 by 13 divided by 1 by 7. So minus 2 by 13 will remain same. Divide will be multiply sign, and when you write the reciprocal of 1 by 7, then it will be 7 by 1. Now since we cannot cut diagonally, we cannot divide by the same number, so we will multiply the numerator. 7 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 14 and 13 multiplied by 1 is 13. So answer of the fifth part is minus 14 by 13. Now in the sixth part we have minus 7 by 12 divided by minus 2 by 13. So minus 7 by 12 will remain same and divide will be multiply sign. And if you write the reciprocal of minus 2 by 13, then it will be 13 by minus 2, because denominator will be the numerator and numerator will become the denominator. Now here minus minus we can cancel it. Now since we cannot divide by the same number diagonally or up and down, so what will be done here? Here just we'll just multiply the numerator. So 13 sevens are 91 and 12 twos are 24. So answer of the sixth part is 91 by 24. Okay. Now in the last part we have 3 by 13 divided by minus 4 by 65. So 3 by 13 will remain same. Divide will be multiply sign, and if you write the reciprocal of minus 4 by 65, then it will be 65 by minus 4. Now here 3 and 4 we cannot divide by the same number. Now this, if you check 13 and 65, 65 comes in 13's table. So 13 ones are 13 and 13 fives are 65. Now 3, if you multiply the numerator, then we'll get 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. Okay. Divided by 4 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by 1 is minus 4. So answer of the last part is 15 by minus 4. Okay. So this was all about question number 4. Thank you, students.